And let me explain something to you. So if I were to give you a PR bond and legally you're not eligible for one, and if you were to commit a crime, guess what? I can be sued.
Hit me. Yo, watching how them opera boys get sentenced. You know how the fuck's going on. Man, y'all boys tuned into that Oouchie court watch. Well, we taking it straight from the jail cell to the judge. Hear me?
All right, Edward Valdez.
Yes, Your Honor. Just a little background on this case. Mr. Valdez was approved for pretrial diversion. I do have the signed agreement.
Well, what I can tell you, based upon the new rules on a bond for him, because does he have a remand without bond because he didn't appear?
I believe so.
All right, so I understand that he's applied for PTD. So, I'll agree to a bond reduction. But have you conferred with the state on an amount?
Judge, this is a little confusing because he's been approved for PTD. If he was out on bond, he'd enter the contract. So if he accepted a probation, wouldn't he be released?
Yes, but here's the thing. There are new rules with regards to setting of bonds and when I can set for PR bonds and when I cannot. And this is the case that legally I cannot. And let me explain something to you. So if I were to give you a PR bond and legally you're not eligible for one, and if you were to commit a crime, guess what? I can be sued. And I would be responsible for that suit because I violated the law by giving you something that you're not entitled to. Now, do I understand that they're giving you, offered you a pretrial diversion? And so that means that probably you should get a PR bond. I understand that, but the problem is legally you're not supposed to receive one. So if you'll confer with the state on some sort of bond amount, I will give him a low bond amount, but I can tell you it's not going to be $1.
Whatever you want to give him. Whatever.
I mean, if you'll confer with the state on the amount.
They really don't care.
Well, no, they are. This is state of Texas versus Edward Valdez. So they're supposed to give their opinion on a bond amount.
Okay, let me get.
All right, just have a seat.
Amen.
All right, Edward Valdez.
Yes, we conferred with the state.
All right. Court is calling DC 2023 CR 7270A State versus Edward Valdez. Could I have parties announced for the record?
Amir Memori for Mr. Valdez, Your Honor.
And are you Mr. Valdez? All right. You're requesting a bond for your client, is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
A warrant was issued on September 11th, 2025. The defendant did not appear for court, and that warrant was issued by Judge Angelini.
Yes, Your Honor.
Any questions for your client? Like, why wasn't he here? What type of bond can he make? You'll need to be placed under oath. You raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you may state your name for the record.
Edward Valdez.
All right, so what questions do you have?
Why were you not in court on that?
Because I didn't know if I had court date or anything. They never approached me to my house or the phone that I gave. I was always working, so I couldn't. If not, I would have gone or called if I wouldn't have made it.
So you've been accepted into the PTD program, correct?
Mhm.
We've signed the agreement, correct?
Yes, sir.
At this point, how much bond can you afford to get out?
To be honest with you, I've been incarcerated since August, so I'm not sure how much.
Wait, you're saying you've been in custody since August? Well, the warrant wasn't issued till September 11th. Why were you in custody?
Because I had the warrants. I have 2 warrants.
No, but what I'm saying, your warrant wasn't issued until September. So you shouldn't have been in custody in August because there was no warrant. What was the warrant for?
It was
a misdemeanor MTR. He had a case out of county court 7, Judge.
All right, so he had a case out of county court 7, and what was that case for?
ABI, family violence, Judge, and the MTR. He had an MTR in that case.
All right, any other questions?
Not for me, Judge. If you have any questions, please.
All right, state any questions? All right, when's the last time you were employed?
The last time I was employed, it was in BJ's, before I got locked up.
All right. And what was your salary or pay per hour?
$15.
Have you ever had any previous mental health issues?
Oh, man.
Have you ever been diagnosed with any type of mental health issues? Have you ever used any type of drugs in the past?
No.
And this motion to revoke on the family violence case, the misdemeanor, when was that?
Judge, that was, I believe we resolved that on October the 9th, Judge.
And who is the complainant?
That was an MTR, Judge, just to let you know.
Does he have a no contact order with the complainant? Who is the complainant? What's the complainant's name? All right, do you reside by yourself?
Oh, was that me?
Oh, do you live in a home by yourself or there are other people who live with you? I'm sorry?
With my wife,
And who's your wife?
Sylvia Martinez. I've been living with her since that incident. But since I got locked up, I don't know where I stand now,
Okay.
to be honest with you.
And are there any children in the household?
2,
What are their ages?
15 and 12.
All right. State, what are you requesting as a bond amount?
And we're requesting 1,000, Judge.
All right, the court is going to set your bond at $5,000. All right, is there anything else?
No, Judge.
All right, your bond will be set at $5,000.
Thank you, ma'am.
May I get your attention?
Yes.
Thank you.
Appreciate you, ma'am. Have a good day.
Have a seat, sir.
All right, are you all ready on Valerie Marino?
Ready, Judge?
All right,
Good morning.
good morning. And did he pay the 500?
I have
He-
the money order.
She brought it, Judge.
All right. And state, where does she need to take that?
The money. Form, the first floor and then.
Oh.
Form 3, section, like the X-ray machines.
Oh, in the front. Oh, yeah. Perfect.
All right, the court is calling 2025 CR 006933, State versus Valerie Marino. Could I have parties announced?
Travis Kettner, Your Honor, for Miss Moreno. We're ready.
And are you Miss Marino? All right, we're here for sentencing. According to your plea bargaining agreement, there's a restitution of $1,764.08. And this cause number, and also, let me see, just one moment. And also the defendants must pay that amount as well. And when I say I pay that amount, of course, it's only going to be a total of $1,764.08. But if for some reason they're revoked or they don't receive probation and they don't pay that, you'll have to pay it. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right, so I have a few questions for you. Can you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God? All right, you can lower your hand. Make sure you keep your voice up so the court reporter can hear. Who is Valerie Marino to you?
I mean, myself.
Oh, sorry, Amber Marino.
My sister.
Okay. And do you have any children?
I do. I have 4.
And what are their ages?
My 2 oldest are 9. My third is 5, and my baby just turned 5 months.
And do they live with you?
They all.
And what do you do for a living?
I'm currently a stay-at-home mom, but I'm back into school, so I'm going to dental for a dental assistant.
And when are you starting that?
Today, actually, I'm starting night school tonight.
Oh, what time?
At 6 p.m.
So while you're here, who's taking care of the children?
Their dad. Well, their stepdad. So, well, the youngest, because the other 3 are at school. So.
And so is he the stepfather to the younger child?
The 3 oldest ones, but he's the dad to the youngest one.
Okay. And have you ever had any type of mental health issues in the past?
No.
Have you ever been diagnosed with any type of mental health issues? Any drug use in the past?
No. I do drink occasionally though. So.
Right. So while you're on probation, you're not allowed to drink alcohol.
that's
Those are the rules. All right. This is what the court, oh, any questions? All right, state you may be excused. All right, this is what the court will do. The court will sentence you to 3 years deferred adjudication. There's $1,000 fine that will be probated. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs, proof of employment within 45 days, or a full-time enrollment in school. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. There's to be no contact with the following address. There's to be a remaining balance of restitution of $1,264.08.
Judge, I don't mean to interrupt you. She actually brought $600 to show good faith to the court. So I wanted to be sure that
Thank you.
correct number there. Thank you.
You're welcome. So it's to be $1,164.08. There is to be a payment today of $600, 100 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to order parenting classes. Once that's completed, the court will deem the community service satisfied. There's to be no contact with Richard Serta, and that's with a C, and probation. That's who the restitution is to go to. And you're jointly and severally liable for $1,164.08 with the co-defendants and cause numbers 2025 CR 006931 and 2025 CR 006934. And there's to be field visits 1 time per month for 6 months. Probation, is there anything else? Is there anything else you need from the court in order to be successful? All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? Because this is plea bargaining agreement, because I followed your plea bargaining agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. And I'm sorry, one more thing. Who is Roman Daniel Villarreal to you?
Brother-in-law? That's my sister's boyfriend.
Okay.
Yeah.
All righty. Good luck to you. And
Thank you,
we
Judge.
can go off
Thank
the
you.
record in this court.
Thank you.
Communication is key.
Oh, I'm sorry.
All right, that's okay. Communication is key. If you have an issue, you need to let probation know about it. If you feel they're not addressing it, you can always come back to the court,
Okay, that's fine.
but don't disappear, okay?
Thank you.
All right,
Thank
good
you.
luck to you.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
Truths unravel, and what does it mean? In the halls where stories clash, Oouchie court watch quick as a flash.